In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom proxy in AdsPower. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to choose, and how to enter the details so your profile routes traffic through the proxy you want. First, open AdsPower and log in. Once you're in, decide whether you want to create a new browsing environment or adjust one you already use. If you're starting fresh, click New Profile. If you want to apply the settings to an existing setup, choose Edit on that profile. Profiles in AdsPower are separate environments, so applying a proxy to one profile won't affect others. Inside the profile settings, head to the Proxy tab. This is where all network routing is managed for the profile you're working on. To use your own provider, set the proxy setting to Custom. Custom means you'll manually supply the connection details from your proxy service, rather than using any built-in or automatic options. Next, choose the proxy type your provider gave you. AdsPower supports common types, including HTTP or HTTPS, SOCKS 5, and SSH. As a quick guide, HTTP and HTTPS are standard for general web browsing. SOCKS 5 is versatile and often preferred for broader protocol support, and SSH uses encrypted tunneling. What matters most is that the type you select matches what your proxy provider issued. Mismatching the type is a common reason connections fail. Now enter your proxy details. For host, type the proxy server's IP address or host name exactly as provided. For port, enter the numeric port number assigned by your provider. If your proxy requires authentication, fill in the proxy username and proxy password fields. If it doesn't, you can leave those fields blank. Pay close attention to spacing and characters. An extra space or a mistyped port can prevent the connection from working. If your provider gave you region-specific endpoints, be sure you're using the correct one for your needs, and keep in mind that credentials are sensitive. Don't share them or paste them where others can see. When everything looks correct, click OK to save the profile with that proxy. From now on, AdsPower will use those settings for that specific profile. If you run into issues later, double-check that the proxy type matches your provider, confirm the host and port, and verify that the username and password, if required, are accurate. That's it. You've successfully added a custom proxy in AdsPower, keeping your browsing environment organized and your traffic routed exactly where you want it.